If you spend any time outside, whether it's out camping, on your back porch, or just around the backyard, you know you're going to need a bug zapper because you are going to encounter mosquitoes, gnats, and all kind of flying insects. In this review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the GOOTOP, and this is the Zap T6 Pro. I've got the box right here. So we're going to cover all these features. We're going to talk about the area that it covers, and I really appreciate the brand. Send this to me so I could show you all these things. Now, you know right here that you can see it's already lit up. This is the evening right now, and I've already had some mosquitoes actually go in there and get zapped right away. So I know it's working really good. Now, it does come with a little brush if you want to go ahead and clean some of the grills that you have right around here. This is actually ABS plastic, so it's definitely made to go outdoors. Now, you'll find that some bug zappers are good for just maybe sometimes a couple of thousand square feet, or an acre, half an acre. This is good for a half an acre. So if you want to use it, of course, on your back porch, you can see here, I've got quite a bit of land here behind me. So this is really good for hanging up just right around here when I'm trying to keep the bugs away from me. And they love that light that it gets attracted to. Now, it does have a little hook right here, so you can easily hang that off. And one thing that's important too, I find, is the length of the cord. This is right around 5 feet. Most cords are anywhere from 11, 12 inches to right around 5 feet, which seems to be pretty much the average. Now, this is all ABS plastic, so it's definitely meant to go outdoors. It's just rugged, nice and thick. And we've actually got a 15-watt bulb in there that is replaceable. So also, if you look here at the bottom right here, this is where you're going to go ahead, and if you want to, you can put some attractant here in the bottom, but when you're ready to change out the bulb, there's just a little screw right there. You just pop that off, and you go ahead and pull the bulb out and replace it with no problem whatsoever. And then use that little brush to go ahead and brush this out. And if you'll notice, this actually has a couple little holes, one on each side. So if any water gets in there from the rain, you can go ahead and it's going to drain right through those holes. Now, if you look closely here, we've actually got a little metal cage or electric grid right around the bulb. So the bulb, the light is actually going to attract the bugs to it. But what they're going to do is they get close, they're going to hit that grid that's right around 4,200 volts, and that is what's going to zap. I've already had it pop a couple of times here. A couple of things to notice here on the box. We do have, it is a 15-watt bulb that is replaceable. This talks about the grid right here that is 4,200 volts. And we've got the removable tray that I talked about. And then, of course, the safety housing. It's all ABS plastic. So you can hear those pops. I mean, typically those are biting on me. Instead, they're going in there and they're getting wiped out. Once this stays out all night, it gets so many bugs. It's kind of ridiculous. I mean, there's thousands and thousands of bugs that come out each night, and this definitely helps. And it's really good too if you go ahead and hang it up, because you want to be able to be seen, right? So all the bugs are going to go ahead and get attracted to it and then get eliminated. Hope you found this review helpful.